is, then only you can do all the problems. Okay. Okay, sine of 120 degree we find out, sine of 120 degree. Now one sine 120 degree, is there any value in the trigonometric table? What are the values we have? Sine 0 degree, 45 degree, and then 60 degree, 90 degree. Yeah, that only we have. But sine of 120 degree, so we want to convert again this one. So sine of 120 degree. So sine of 120 degree, I can write how 90 degree plus 30 degree. So sine of 120 degree, I can write 90 degree plus 30 degree. So first of all, keep in your mind, if given values is more than 180 degree means we have to use that 360 plus or 360 minus, whether it's correct or okay. So you get 120. So that 120 is below 180 degree. 120 is below 180. So we can use 90 degree. So sine of 90 degree plus 30 degree. 120 degree here, 90 degree plus 30 degree I can write. Correct? So sine of 90 degree plus theta. Sine of 90 degree plus theta. Value is cos. So sine of 90 degree plus theta, it will become cos theta. That property you should use. So sine of 90 degree plus 30 degree, I can write cos 30 degree. Now cos 30 degree value. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Look at that. Cos 30 degree. What is the value? Root 3 by 2. That's it. So if you understand these properties very well, you can solve your own method. Simple one. So that's it. That is the first question. And then look at the second question. Sine of minus of 110 degree. Okay. So sine of what property we have to first use? Sine of minus x. Yeah, sine of minus x property we must use. So sine of minus x, it will be minus sine x. Correct? So sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. So here x place, the place of x is we have here 110 degree. Okay. So it will become minus sine of 110 degree. So minus keep it there and sine put it there. 1110 degree. So it is more than 180 degree. So we can use 360 degree. But I can't use 360 degree plus something more than, again 360 degree more than. Correct? So I can write that 1110 degree as 3 into 360 degree. 3 into 360 degree. Okay. So 3 into 360 degree, which means what? 360 degree, 360 degree, 360 degree. How much? 8080. Okay, so 1080 I can put 30 degree because I want only 30 degree, 60 degree, that only I want. Okay, so we must have a 360 degree. How many times? 3 times. So 3 into 360 degree plus 30 degree. That's it. So now minus put it there. Sine of 360 plus theta. Sine of 360 plus theta. What is answer? Sine of 360 plus theta value. So you should see the property again. Okay, so you should see the property again. So sine of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta value is sine theta only. So sine theta only. So I can write minus sine theta value is 30 degree here. So sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree value what? In the trigonometric table. So look at the trigonometric table and you have the, so sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 we have already minus. So minus 1 by 2. That's it. Yeah. So now look at the cos 300 degree. So first of all you need to look at that any minus are there, no minus. So first to certify. And then 300 degree is more than 180 degree. So what are the things we have to know? Use 360. So either you have to use 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Okay. But here 300. 300 means 360 minus 60 degree only we have to use. Correct? We can't use plus value because we have 300 only. So starting at 360 இருக்கும்போது we have to use minus. So 360 minus 60 degree. A simple one. So cos of 360 minus theta. So now look at that, cos of 360 minus theta. So the formula of cos of 360 minus theta value is cos theta. Cos theta. So here cos theta means cos 60 degree. In the place of theta put. So listen. So this is a property. Cos of 360 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta only. Okay. So comparing these two, cos of 360 minus theta, cos of 360 is 60. So here cos theta answer. So in the place of theta put 60 degree. That's it. Okay. So cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value what? Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Okay. So tan of 1050. So more than 1000. So more than 1000 means we have to use 360 multiply some number. So 360. Okay, if I 3 into 360, what is answer? 3 into 660, 1080 we have. 1080 we have. So here I want put any sign. Here 1050. So I put 30 degree here now. I minus put. So 1080 degree minus 30 degree. I can get 1050 degree. Okay, so 1050 degree tan of 3 into 360 degree. So more than 180 degree. So we have to use what? 360 degree. So 360 degree how many times? 3 times. Because here 1000. So 3 into 360 degree minus 30 degree. So tan of 360 minus theta value is minus tan theta. Tan of 360 minus theta. So tan of 360 minus theta value is minus tan theta. Okay, minus tan theta. So here minus tan theta. So minus tan of here theta value is 30 degree. 30 degree. So minus tan 30 degree value what? Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. That's it. So this is what we have to prove the similar sums also. Okay, so pi. So here give the pi value. Pi means what are the values of pi? Pi value is equal to 180. Okay, pi is equal to 180. So we know that pi value 3.14, pi value 22 by 7, so on. So but here in the trigonometric table, pi value is equal to 180 degree. So pi by 2 value what? 90 degree. Pi by 3 value what? 60. Pi by 4 45. Pi by 6 30. Yeah, likewise you have to use. So in the place of 5, put 180 degree and cancel, you will get the one answer. Tan of 1140 degree. So 1140 degree, I can write how much? 3 into 360 degree. Yeah, 1080 plus I want 1040 degree. So plus 60 degree. So tan of 360 plus theta. So now 360 plus theta. Tan of 360 degree plus theta formula is tan theta only. So what is answer? Tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree value is root 3. Yeah, that's it. So simple one. Now second sum. So you should know Pythagoras theorem. You should know Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so before going to Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to do some for your understanding. Okay, suppose this is our question. Sine 150 degree. Find the value of sine 150 degree. Okay, first of all you should look at the 150 more below 180. So we can use 90 degree only. 90 degree. Okay. So sine of 90 degree இங்க plus பண்ணுமா minus பண்ணுமா what? Okay, so 90 degree. So 90 degree கூட எந்த number add பண்ணா you will get 150. So 60 degree. That's it. Sine of 90 degree plus 60 degree. Okay. So now look at the property. What are the property we have to use? Sine of 90 degree plus theta, which is equal to sine of 90 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, sine of 90 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is our question. So how it will be change? Sine changed to cos theta. So in the place of theta, what value we have? 60. So 60 degree. That's it. This is what we have to prove. Okay. So cos 135 degree if we have, what is the first thing we have to do? Cos of bracket 180 degree below that, so you can use 90 degree. Minus or plus, you will get 135 degree. So you plus how many degree? If you add 9 to 90 degree, you will get 135, 45 degree. So which property you have to use? Cos of 90 degree plus theta. Cos of 90 degree plus theta answer is minus sin theta. So it will change minus sine. In the place of theta, what we have? 45 degree. So 45 degree. That's it. So this is what we have to prove. First sum. Okay, now second sum, you should know that Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin. So if you opposite hypotenuse by hypotenuse, secant theta equal to reciprocal of cos. Tan, sorry, here cot theta. Okay, so cot theta is equal to reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal of this one. Okay, so it must be cos theta. Yeah, cot theta. Okay, so now, so this is a 90 degree, so we must have a right angle. 90 degree opposite of the right angle is hypotenuse, and then this is opposite, this is adjacent. Okay, so now look at the second sum, very simple one. 5 by 7, 2 root by 7 is a point on the terminal side of an angle. Theta is a standard, theta in standard position. Determine the trigonometric function values of angle of theta. Trigonometric function, trigonometric values, if they're given, what does it mean? We have to find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, so on. Cos theta, cot theta, so on. So what are the values they given? 5 by 7, 2 roots by 6, 7. Okay, so we must have, okay, so suppose if you take this is a graph. Okay, so listen, this is a graph, this is a O. Okay, and then this is a right angle, because terminal angle, so we have to write this, we have to draw like this. Okay, so this is O, we know that, this is A, we know that, and this is B, we know that. What is the question? 5 by 7, so 5 by 7 they give that, and then 2 root 6 by 7 they give that. 5 by 7 is what axis? X coordinates, so I can write this is x coordinates, so I can write 5 by 7 here, and then y coordinates is, so vertical line is y coordinate, we know that, so 2 root 6 by 7 I can write here. Okay, so 5 by 7. So now the, okay, so if you want to find out other trigonometric values, you should know that this value OB value. So how can I find out? Where is a right angle here? Right angle here only. So opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. This is opposite of, okay, so this is opposite, this is adjacent. So we must know that hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse value we must know that. So hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square. So AB square plus OA square. Okay, so this is what we have to do Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now I'm going to explain. Listen. Okay, so OA square plus AB square. So OA square is equal to 5 by 7 whole square, 2 root 7 whole square. So 5 square is 25, and then 7 square is 49, plus 2 square is 4 root 6 square is 6 only. So 4 into 6, 24, 24 by 49. So 24 denominator is same, so I put there 49. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49 by 49 is equal to 1. So OB square is equal to 1. So what is the value of OB? Root of 1. Root 1 also equal to 1 only, so 1. So OB value we find out. OB value what? 1. OB value what? 1. Okay. OB value 1, we know that. Yeah, that's it. So now we have to find out what are the ratios are there. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So which is equal to opposite sides are there. Opposite is AB only opposite. Because this is a 90 degree. 90 degree opposite is adjacent. இங்க theta இருக்கா, so இந்த theta ஓட opposite தான் opposite side. Okay. Yeah, so opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is what? 2 root 6 by 7 divided by hypotenuse value is 1. So 2 root 6 divided by 7. Cos theta is equal to 1. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So now look at the diagram. What is adjacent side? So this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. So adjacent side value is 5 by 7 divided by hypotenuse is 1. So 5 by 7 divided by 1. So I can write 5 by 7 as well as. And then tan theta. Tan theta value what? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Now look at that. What is opposite value? Opposite value is 2 root 6 divided by 7. Adjacent value is 5 by 7. So 2 root 6 divided by 7 divided by 5 by 7. So 7 gets cancelled. You get 2 root 6 divided by 5. Now I want to find out secant theta, cosecant theta, cot theta. First of all, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of what? Sin theta. So sin theta value update 3p போட்டிங்கன்னா that is cosecant theta. And then cos theta value அதே மாதிரி reciprocal எழுதுனா you will get the secant theta, tan theta value as well as cot theta. That's it. So this is why we have to prove second sum. Okay, and third question. Find the values of the 5 trigonometric function for the following. Why 5? Because they given that cos theta. So cos theta value we don't need to find out because they given that. So we must find out what are the values sin theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Yeah, like that only 5 values are there. So what is given? Cos theta given. Cos theta they given that. So also theta lies in the third quadrant. Theta lies in the third. Okay, listen, cos theta is equal to minus half. This is our question, correct? So you usually know that what is the value of cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse, correct? Yeah. So we must form the one right angle triangle. We must form the one right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, here right angle. So this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 2. Adjacent value is minus 1. So we must know that this value. We must know that this value. Okay. So what is the formula to? What is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, correct? So hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse value? Hypotenuse value is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4 is equal to opposite square. We don't know that. We have to find out plus adjacent square minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square it will become plus 1 only. Okay, we must know that whole square value. So whole square keep it there. That plus 1 comes to here 4 minus 1. So 3 is equal to whole square. 3 is equal to O square. So I want simply opposite value only. Okay. So opposite side take square root this one, you will get root 3. That is your opposite side. That is your opposite side. Okay, O square is equal to 3 means O is equal to opposite value is equal to root 3. Okay, that's it. So what are the values they given that? Cos value is equal to minus half they given, correct? So adjacent value is minus 1, and then hypotenuse value is equal to 2, and then we just found out what value opposite sides. So opposite sides value is equal to root 3. So do you all know that how to find out opposite sides? So if they are given to any two value, you can find out other value simply. What is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Substitute and find out the value. That's it. Simple one. Okay. So now sin theta. So sin theta is equal to what? opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Yeah, so opposite value is root 3 divided by hypotenuse value is 2. This is a sin theta. Cos theta we know that. And then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, what is the value of tan theta? Opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite root 3 divided by adjacent value is minus 1. So it will become minus root 3. So after that cosecant theta equal to reciprocal of sin theta. So 2 by root 3, and then cot theta equal to reciprocal of this one, 1 by minus 1 by root 3, and then secant theta equal to reciprocal of cos theta. So minus 2 by 1. That's it. So this is what we have to prove that this sum. Okay, simple one. So using Pythagoras theorem and find out the value. Okay, now look at the third sum. Sin theta equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. First of all, what is the formula you need to write? Sin formula what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side so the value minus 2. Hypotenuse value is 3. What are the values we have to find out? Adjacent value. That's it. So what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, so hypotenuse value is 3 square, so it will become 9. Opposite square value is minus 2, so minus 2 square it will become plus 4, plus adjacent square value only we have to find out. So here plus 4 coming to this side, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 is equal to adjacent square, but I want exactly adjacent value. So taking square root you will get adjacent value is root 5. So adjacent value root 5, that's it. So adjacent value, opposite value, hypotenuse values, once you find out 3 values you can easily find out all the trigonometric ratio. Okay, similar method. Yeah, that's it. And then okay, so prove that. Okay, so this is full of left hand side. Okay, this is full of left hand side. These two only right hand side. These two only right hand side. So you should know that property. You should know that property. Okay, so what are the property we need to use? Cot of 180 degree plus theta. Cot of 180 degree plus theta. I can write cot theta. Okay, first one over. I can write cot theta. Sine of 90 degree minus theta. I can write cos theta. Cos of minus theta, how can I write? Yeah, plus cos theta. And then sine of 270 degree plus theta, I can write minus cos theta. Tan of minus theta, I can minus tan theta. Cosecant of 360 degree plus theta, I can write cosecant theta. So all are properties. If you know a property very well, you can use your own method. Simple one. That's it. Directly substitute. So in the place of cot 180 degree plus theta, what is answer? Cot theta. Substitute here. And then in the place of sine of 90 degree minus theta, put cos theta, cos theta. And then cos of minus theta, put cos theta, cos theta. And then substitute. So after substitute all the value, cot theta. So I can, yeah, okay. So cot theta. So don't, yeah, so there is no need to expand this one. So take the cot theta only here, cot theta nu vechukonga. So numerator is cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, and then minus into minus, new denominator plus cos theta I can keep it there. Tan theta I can write tan theta sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta I can write 1 by sin theta. Why I don't want cot theta expansion? Because in the answer we want cot theta only. So then only that's for I keep it there. So okay, so now I expand. Now look at that. This sin theta will get cancelled. Okay, and then these cos theta will get cancelled. What are the remaining terms? Cot theta, cos square theta. That's it. That's your RHS. Substitute, and then what are the things we have to do? Tan theta எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Sin theta by cos theta. Cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. Sin theta cancel. Cos theta cancel. Here cot theta only you put there. Okay, cot theta, cot square theta. This is your answer. Okay, find all the angles between 0 degree and 360 degree which satisfy this equation. Okay, so sine square theta equal to 3 by 4. So sine square theta equal to 3 by 4 means sine theta value what? Root of 3 by 4, which means plus or minus 3 by 4. Okay, plus or minus 3 by yeah, plus or minus root of 3 by 4. So plus or minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, because if you take root of 4 you will get 2. Okay, so now I can write sine theta is equal to plus of one term, sine theta is equal to minus of one term. Okay, sine theta equal to plus root 3 by 2, sine theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. So in the trigonometric table, yeah, that trigonometric table, what are the values of root 3 by 2? Root 3 by 2, if you check the trigonometric table, page number 90 in your max book, root 3 by 2 value is sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree. And then minus root 3 by 2 is sine 60 degree means minus root 3 by 2 value are simply minus 60 degree. Yeah, minus 60 degree. Okay, so sine theta equal to sine 60 degree. So okay, that's it. So and then okay, so I want theta is equal to 60 degree here, very okay, theta is equal to 60 degree, this is simply the, but here I can't say, because if you theta value find out manna you will get the negative value. So 180 degree minus 60 degree, so that half triangle, okay, half, so theta is equal to 120 degree. And then sixth one, sine square pi by 18 plus sine square pi by 9 plus sine square 7 pi by 18 sine square 4 by 9 is equal to 2. Okay, so sine square pi by 18. So throughout multiply by 180 by pi. So what you will get pi by 8 into pi by 18. Okay, this is pi by 18 into 180 by pi and pi by, okay, throughout multiply. And what you will get, pi get cancel, and then 18, yeah, 18 get cancel, you will get 1 0. So in the first 1 0, here pi get cancel, and then 9 2s also 20, and then pi gets cancel, 18 get cancel, so far 70 and then 90. Yeah, okay, this is what we have to get. And then now sine square 10, so I can equal this 10 as this 70, this 20 as this 80. Okay, sorry, 20 as 10, 70, 10 as 90. Why? Because 90, 10 plus 80 only you will get 90, 70 plus 20 you will get 90. So okay, so sine of, I can write 10 as sine square 10 எப்படி எழுதலாம் 90 டிகிரிக்கு, 90 degree minus 80 degree. Yeah, here 20, how can I write 90 degree minus 70 degree. Yeah, that's it. So sine of 90 degree minus 80 degree as well as, so sine of 90 degree minus theta, sine of 90 degree minus theta. So you should know that properties, okay, all the properties, if you know that you can use. So sine of 90 degree minus 80, so 90 degree minus 90 minus theta is my cos theta. So cos of how many degree we have, 80 degree, so cos, so here whole square we have side, so yeah, so cos square 80 degree plus, you can't say that whole square also, you simply put sine square of this one, sine square of this one, it's enough. Okay, so and then cos sine of 90 degree minus 70, sine of 90 degree minus theta value is cos theta. So sine of 90 degree minus 70, what it will become, cos square 70 degree, and then sine square 70 degree, sine square 80 degree. Okay, so here sine square 70 plus cos square 70 degree, what is the value? Yeah, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta value what, equal to 1. So as well as theta value equal இருந்ததுன்னா same தான். So sine square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1, sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, as well as sine square 70 degree plus cos square 70 degree is equal to 1, sine square 80 degree plus cos square 80 degree is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is what we RHS2. Okay, so you must know that these properties, if you get to know that this property, all the sums are very easy. So first of all you have to write these properties in your one paper and then try all the sums, okay, your method. and then you should know that this table and also that Pythagoras formula. Okay, so how to, okay, suppose if they're given opposite sides, so first suppose for example sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 they given. Okay, so what is the value opposite by hypotenuse? So opposite sides value what? 1, hypotenuse side value what? 2. Okay, we have to find out what? Yeah, we have to find out adjacent value. So put triangle, right angle triangle here 90 degree. So here O, this is A, this is B. Okay, hypotenuse is 2. Okay, so opposite is 1. So this is what we have to find out. How we have to find out? So hypotenuse side square equal to, so AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. Substitute and take root, you will get the adjacent side. As after find out the adjacent side, what you have to do? Find out all the values: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta.